इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे बर्ड्स नेम्स। क्रो, क्रो मीन्स कौवा। पीकॉक, पीकॉक मीन्स मोर। पैरट, पैरट मीन्स तोता। पिजन, पिजन मीन्स कबूतर। स्पैरो, स्पैरो मीन्स गोरैया। Owl, owl means ullu. Duck, duck means batak. Hawk, hawk means baaj. Vulture, vulture means gid. Eagle, eagle means garud. Swan, swan means hans. Partridge, partridge means titar. Ostrich, ostrich means suturmurg. Hen, hen means murgi. Woodpecker, woodpecker means katfodwa. Quail, quail means bater. Mynah, mynah means Mynah. Crane, crane means saras. Cuckoo, cuckoo means koyal. Bat, bat means chamgadar. Cock, cock means murga. Nightingale, nightingale means bulbul. Raven, raven means kala kauva. Kingfisher, kingfisher means ram chiraiya. Flamingo, flamingo means rajhans. Great egret, great egret means bagula.